All right, this is the Unit 2 post-test. Make sure that you have Unit 2, your name, and number 1 through 12. After you are done taking this test, please take a picture of what you've written and post it under Unit 2 post-test. Because this is a video, you can go back and watch it as many times as you need. You can pause it if you need to. I do not mind. All right? Number 1, admit. She hated to admit she was wrong. Number 2, contact. Matthew hopes to stay in contact with his classmates after graduation. Number 3, contest. The winner of the poetry contest will receive a cash prize. Number 4, discuss. After school, my friends and I will discuss our plans for the weekend. Number 5, establish. It takes time to establish a new business. Number 6, expect. Sarah's parents expect her to get a job when she turns 16. Number 7, fantastic. The aquarium at our local zoo is fantastic. Number 8, impact. The object in the corner of my grandma's, wrong sentence. Number 8, impact. Proper nutrition and exercise can positively impact a person's health. Number 9, object. The object in the corner of my grandma's attic is an antique. Number 10, public. Our public swimming pool is open from late May to the middle of August. Number 11, sandwich. Jack made a roast beef sandwich and a salad for his lunch. And number 12, upset. An accident on the highway upset the flow of traffic. All right, if you are done with this test, please take a picture and submit under Unit 2 post-test.